Good morning. This is Miss Novato again,
And I'm Mrs. Lathram.
and we have another story problem for you today. If you've joined us with our previous videos, we have talked about a lot of strategies. We've talked about a number bond. We've talked about using a number sentence and how that can help you in a number line. We've also talked about how to make a friendly number of 10. Today, we're going to use a mental strategy, something that you can do in your head. So be thinking of what we do in the classroom and what you can use to help you as we solve this problem. So go ahead and again close your eyes, think about what's happening in the story, and turn on your listening ears. I'm going to read it 2 times. So sit back and relax and listen to the story. Here we go. There were 13 ladybugs in the garden. Some more crawled in, and now there are 16 ladybugs in the garden. How many ladybugs crawled in? Okay, so as you're closing your eyes, you're picturing what's happening. You're making a movie in your head. So there were 13 ladybugs in the garden. Some more crawled in, and now there are 16 ladybugs in the garden. How many ladybugs crawled in?
So, Miss Novato, when you were reading that, there were some things I was thinking and things that I know from the word problem.
I bet we could skip some of those strategies and listen to the story problem and try to make a number sentence just by listening. Do you think we could try that? I want you to try it first. So pause us and try to see if you can get the number sentence that matches the story. Okay, we're going to try it together. Welcome back. So, Mrs. Latham, will you read the story problem to me as I try to write the number sentence?
Yeah, make sure you listen carefully. There were 13 ladybugs in the garden.
Okay, so 13.
And then some more crawled in.
Ooh, some more.
Oh.
So am I going to use takeaway or adding? If I'm getting some more, my number is going to get bigger, so I'm going to add.
More crawled in.
Oh, wait, some more? I don't know what some more is. I'm going to add a blank there. That way I know that the number goes there. Some goes there. We don't know how many, but some does go there.
Well, and then we know now that there are 16 ladybugs in the garden.
So 13 ladybugs were in the garden. Some more crawled in, and now there are 16 ladybugs in the garden. Does this number sentence match the one that you did? Okay, here we go. What strategy can we use to solve this in our heads without getting paper, without getting out manipulatives? What can we use to solve in our heads?
I'm thinking of a strategy that we've learned in class called scoop and add.
Maybe some call it counting on or keeping a number in your head, but I like to scoop and add. I think that's pretty fun. So I'm going to practice with you guys. I want you to practice with me. So I'm going to scoop 13 in my head, and I'm going to see how many times I have to count to get to 16. So practice with me. 13, 14, 15, 16. How many times did it take us to get to 16?
3.
3. That was so easy. I scooped and added, and I got 3. So 3 more ladybugs crawled into the garden. I'm really, really sure that that's right, but we are going to double check because we are mathematicians here. So how can we check our work to make sure this is right?
I know in class we've been practicing using a model. Is there a model that we can use to show 13 and 3 more equals 16?
Yes, we could use a model, but we could also make sure scoop and add the other way. We can scoop 13 in our head and count on 3 times to see if we land on 16. Let's try that. So 13, 14, 15, 16. Did you guys land on 16 too? Okay, here's that model that she was talking about. I wonder, here's the 14 we have. Wait, the 13 we had, sorry. And here are the 3 more that joined in. Awesome job. You can go try this on Missing on Greg Tang Math. Click on Missing Add-in because that's the one we're practicing. Thanks for joining us.
Have fun learning.